We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make roasted cauliflower. Start with 1.5 tablespoons canola or avocado oil, then add 1/4 to 1 teaspoon of optional spices and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Using a rubber spatula, mix that until it's all combined and the spices are evenly distributed. Then add about 12 ounces of cauliflower florets. This is usually the amount in a bag or the size of one large cauliflower head. Make sure the florets are equal-sized pieces so that they roast evenly in the oven and are finished at about the same time. Toss that cauliflower with the seasoned oil until it's well coated. Then, transfer the seasoned cauliflower to a baking sheet. Make sure to spread the cauliflower in an even layer. You don't want to overcrowd the pan or cauliflower could steam. There is more room on this pan for more cauliflower. Then, roast in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes or until you get that golden, toasty brown appearance. Then top with optional garnishes like a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Check out the recipe in the description below. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, and feel better.